Cooking can be a delightful adventure for everyone. All you need is a cooktop that could navigate you through cooking just like a GPS guides you on a road trip. Meet Semi, India's first intelligent cooking navigator with auto-guided cooking. To start cooking, just pick your recipe, like you would choose a destination, and let Semi do the navigating. Semi's auto-guided cooking takes the guesswork out of cooking by providing simple to follow, clear and concise instructions. It guides you through each stage of the cooking process. All you need to do is follow the steps as shown. You can even forget about setting the timer, as Semi handles the timing automatically. With its intelligent features and user-friendly interface, it gives you a new level of culinary freedom so that you can focus on enjoying the process of cooking and discovering a world of flavors to elevate your dining experience one dish at a time. With precision heating technology, you will never have to worry about overcooking or undercooking a dish again. It automatically takes care of the heating while you cook and ensures consistent results every single time. So, even if you're a kitchen newbie, with Semi by your side, you're not just cooking, you're creating culinary masterpieces. Cook with confidence, cook with Semi.